Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Bard AI Chatbot. But before that, if you are new, please hit the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you can be notified if we post another video. So without further ado, let's proceed with today's video. Here's how to use the Google Bard AI Chatbot. And please note that this version is only available to trusted testers. In the Bard demo, you will see a search bar. Below it, you will see a disclaimer note saying Bard may give inaccurate or inappropriate information. Your feedback makes Bard more helpful and safe. To use it, go over to the search bar and type in your questions. After typing them, click the send button and a response will be presented. Just like ChatGPT, once you input and send your questions, it will provide you the most recent answer. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this.